Good morning. My name is Jad Hammoud and I'm the Vice President of Go-to-Market for Zain Tech. At Zain Tech, we focus on helping organizations accelerate time to value from their technology investments. Leap has been an important platform for us here today. We're showcasing a number of different technology solutions across our 5 business units, including cloud, cybersecurity, drones and robotics, data and artificial intelligence, and digital solutions. But more importantly, one of the big announcements we've made at Leap this week is the establishment of Zain Tech KSA. And although we've been in the country operating with over 70 people for a number of years, the establishment of Zain Tech KSA is a big milestone for us. And we're working on the establishment of a regional HQ in Saudi Arabia in conjunction with the RHQ program and the competent authorities. In addition to that, there's been a number of big announcements at Leap this week, which we're capitalizing on to make some big announcements of strategic acquisitions, partnerships, and alliances of ourselves, which will enable us to strengthen our go-to-market in the kingdom, as well as service the region with those capabilities from Saudi Arabia. One of the big things that we're looking forward to announcing tomorrow also at Leap is a strategic acquisition which significantly strengthens our ability to service, support, and help customers accelerate time to value from their technology spend. And we look forward to making that announcement here tomorrow.